send from CashApp to Netspend. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money from your CashApp account to your Netspend account. So first of all, you need to open your CashApp account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your CashApp account, just simply go to the profile icon from the top right corner of the mobile screen, and over here just simply scroll down a bit, and after that just simply click on linked banks and click on linked debit card, and then just click on no card and click on continue. And over here you need to select the institution or the bank account through which you want to link your CashApp account. Just simply click on the search bar and search for Netspend, and just select Netspend as your bank account that you want to link from your CashApp account, and just simply enter your username and password and link your Netspend account to your CashApp account. And once your Netspend account is linked with your CashApp account, then you will be able to transfer the money quite easily. All you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen, and after that just enter the amount of the money that you want to transfer from your CashApp account to your Netspend account that you have just linked with your CashApp account. Just enter the amount, and after that just simply click on pay and just withdraw the money into your Netspend account. So this is basically how you will be able to send money from your CashApp account to your Netspend account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.